Just when I think that I have escaped the be a good little girl prescribed life syndrome phenomenon, it comes barreling at me again. And then I used to fall into, like, why is this happening to me? And then I would second guess, like, this must be a sign. This has to be coming to me. Like, maybe my unruly, untameable, wild, manifesting generator, following her dream, spirituality, nervous breakdown. I mean, it's all judgment. It's all judgment. And then when I let that seep back in, and now it's interesting that this whole new phenomenon is coming at me. And when I said that I was going to be dedicated and devoted to Journey Out of the Bottle and Journey Couture, it means even when nobody else is dedicated or devoted to it, even when I'm getting offers to invest in me with slimy strings of attachment, conditions, criteria, even when that is happening, am I going to stay devoted and dedicated? Am I going to stay devoted and dedicated to my dreams when other people are telling me that I have to give them up in order to receive support from them? This is where the spiritual game of soccer, I am defending this. I'm defending this, and I will not give up on my dreams and my hopes. In fact, I'm going to fight harder for them. I'm going to follow my heart. The Alchemist came up for me last night, a sweet little short on YouTube. Thank you very much, YouTube, for entertaining me, teaching me, guiding me. Yeah, anyway, The Alchemist, following my heart. Following my heart, even when the sinister or the bad guy or the distractions of a beautiful face. I'm dedicated and I'm devoted, and I will not be, I will be tested. I will be tested. I am being tested. I am being tested, and I'm going to devote myself to my baby, my beloved, my beloved.